put on fam, so he's got these nice bulbs, but it's kind of flickering in the video. But check out his tints. It's 20%. You can see a little bit inside, and the back is 5%. And you can't see anything in the back. Yeah, we did nightshade in the back, but again, what's the worst case is that he's got the window visor, so it's nice, it's looking good, and everything is good, but something crazy happened with him this week. Oh nice, he actually dipped or nightshade on top to get rid of the chrome on top, so it looks good. But what's crazy is that he had a dash cam up here, a dash cam. Somebody stole it. Let's see what camera it was. Bro, what camera was it?
It was a Rexing V3.
A what? A Rexing?
Yeah, Rexing
A
V3.
Rexing V3? Bro, somebody broke into his car and stole it. Like, all
It wasn't hardwired, so I forgot to put it, you know, somewhere. And then at nighttime,
that's bad. Somebody stole his freaking. How much was it?
And that was, I mean, $250 with the memory card and everything.
Wow, $250?
Yeah. And
That's
then I had
interior.
to put the, you know, window to and everything. Got a tent again.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I don't know. And they stole like $20 too, cash you had
And
over
they
there?
stole my masks, bro. I had like 20 masks over here.
That's crazy, guys. That is the one crazy event I haven't heard of in decades. So, but yeah, that's crazy. Stay tuned. Thanks for the support, guys. Later.